Situated in the middle of Riverside County, California, and blanketed by orchards of date palms is Coachella, a city that's home to over 43,000 people, all of whom reside here at roughly 70 feet below sea level. Originally, the city was founded as Woodspur after the Southern Pacific built a siding here in 1876, but it wasn't until 1901 that the name Coachella was adopted. Today, in the 21st century, the Union Pacific still plies the rails of Coachella on the Sunset Route, or, as it's officially known, the Yuma Subdivision. I'm set up at the Avenue 54 grade crossing this morning, and without waiting too long, our first catch hoves into view. A massive eastbound stack train led by a shiny, freshly painted SD70 ACE. While waiting between trains, one can see a parade of loosely laden produce trucks heading for nearby warehouses with the region's fresh pickings. Meanwhile, we listen in as the dispatcher calls the approaching UP 8821 West.
Where UP 8821 West, over. For UP 8821 West, over. Yeah, when you come through Dillon and also, Indio, if you can check, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there should be a couple of units still there at Indio. I don't believe there's any off of Main 1 left, but there might be a couple of units over here at Dillon, and that'd be a 9042, and possibly a 3519, 4519, or. Can you repeat those unit numbers, please? Yeah, the first one's going to be UP 9042. That should be there for sure at the Dillon Spur, but I'm being told that maybe there's another unit of UP 4519 either at Indio or Dillon, or. Copy, we'll keep an eye out for 9042 and 4519. Gotcha, but I think you said that you'll check for it, over. Yep, we'll give you a call back when we pass Indio, over. Copy that, appreciate it, thanks, over.
Now, I've seen some interesting consists in my years railfanning, but that was the first time I'd ever seen rear and mid-train DPUs separated by only 2 cars.
On the south side of Indio, there's a UP 4519 over. 4519, is that at Dillon as well, or is that in a different spot, over? Different spot, it's on the industry of Indio Yard, it's over there, over. It's at the industry, but not Dillonsburg. Okay, copy, appreciate it, I'll pass it on over.
Making decent time on the straight rail of the low desert, an absolute monster of a mixed freight thunders through the crossing. Avenue 54 in Coachella. Turns out it's a decent spot to see trains even at 70 feet below sea level. For now, I'm Train Track Trav. I'll see you trackside. Thanks for watching.